Hello, everybody. Today I'm gonna show you guys. I hope all is well. All is well here. You guys are staying safe during the pandemic. But one of the requests that I got last week, and also um, just recently now, was, "Hey, how do I push my audio, my radio feed to my Facebook or whatever?" Okay, so like if you're doing a show or something like that, the only thing I'm gonna tell you is just to really be cautious when you're using like when you're using music and stuff because you know it'll run into an issue even if you are a licensed streaming station, but Facebook has their own rules, and so your website license sometimes might not apply to the platform license, which is totally different. However, that's why people don't. Some people do, some people don't, some people do, some people get ugly and then start reporting it like you're not the official copyright owner because technically you're not. You have a streaming license, a license to stream, but you don't own copyright. That's a whole different. That's a back and forth. Broadcasters have been going back and forth with Facebook for many years about that. So, but like a talk show or something like that, you're gonna be good. So first of all, let me show you how to set it up in Wirecast there. So I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna redo this one and show you guys how to really set that up. Oh, well, let me just delete this whole thing. Okay, so first in Wirecast, you're going to go to Add. You're going to click All. Once you click All, first of all, you want to put some pictures that's related to what you're talking about. So we're going to say New Image Carousel. Once we do that, the width needs to be 1280. You need to check height. That needs to be 720. Change every however many seconds. So with this, I wanted to change every 17.5, every 17 and a half seconds. Okay. So I want the image to be shuffled. And now over here, this is where we're going to add our images. So for instance, with this, I know it's like that. I'm just adding random stuff. Add myself. Add whatever pictures that I have in here right now. Okay, I just have some, random pictures, whatever. But your pictures need to be related either to your brand. Some people should put like slates and all types of stuff in there, so you'll know or whatever. But anyway, so you have that. You definitely have that there. Okay. So the next thing you're going to do is we're going to go over here where all this layer is. I'm going to put my regular microphone on there, okay? Because I'm going to be talking when I go to this slate here. But now you're going to go to Add. And what you're going to do, you're going to go to where it says Screen Capture. You're going to say New Screen Capture and Add, okay? And you're going to bring this down below the image carousel there. And on there, you're going to turn the eye off, but you're going to keep the speaker on. Okay? This is what's going to capture your audio there. All right? So now, only thing you have to do is if we go back in here, leave. This is so. Okay. All right, and we're just gonna log into Soft Radio there. Okay, so if you go to Quick Links, and on Quick Links, if you see this where it says Secure Proxy Links, this is what you're going to need here. And you're just going to, just highlight this. Okay, highlight it. Copy. Once you press copy, open a new tab. I'm just going to open a new tab so you can see me doing it. Paste. And whatever is playing on the station there, you're going to get a live stream. Told me. I'm just going to turn this off for right now, but it's for to play in a second. You'll hear what I'm doing. Okay? That's where your audio stream is going to be coming from. Okay? So now when we're ready to go here, I'm going to go ahead and turn on the audio. Okay, I have have on headphones, so it won't be making noise.
I said we're about to seal it with a praise. See, I don't know if y'all ready. Y'all, this is an SOS moment. I need a little room right here. I give you glory. I give you praise. Cause my enemy.
Oh, I'm gonna click on here. Where it's right here where it says capture system audio. That's what you want to make sure that's.
Anybody ready to bless the Lord in here tonight? I said, is anybody ready to lose your mind? Because the devil lost again.
It's still gonna capture, so I'm gonna show you.
I need everybody to jump with me like this. Say, I give you glory. I give you praise. Because my enemy.
Alright, and as you see there, it's capturing.
I need you.
So,
Your life. Look back over last year.
as you see there, it's capturing what's playing. And so whatever is playing there is going to capture that. And that is your live feed from your ring. Okay? So
Y'all help me do it. Come on. I give you glory. I give you praise. Because my enemy.
And I'm going to show you now how do you set it up to go to your Facebook. Well, if you have a Facebook page. So you're going to go to output settings. Once you go to
Are y'all ready over here?
settings there.
Are y'all ready over here?
Stream.
Y'all don't sound. Are y'all tired? Are y'all ready to praise the Lord? If the devil did not win, I want you to lose your mind on this song. We're gonna praise him. We're gonna dance because we are free tonight. Tell your neighbor, I'm free. Can I do it the last time right here? Everybody do it with me. Here we go. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Hey, I give you glory. I give you praise. Because my enemy. I give you glory.
Man.
I give you praise. Because my enemy. I give you glory. I give you praise. Because my enemy.
So I'm going to
So glad the enemy. So glad the enemy. So glad the enemy. So glad the enemy. I give you glory. I give you praise. Cause my enemy. Everybody clap, 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 clap.
If I have my credit, location and all that stuff in there, I can always location, which is
My dance head. Hey, my dance head. Hey, my dance head. My dance head. Y'all got it. My dance head. Ah, my
I
dance
have to
head.
say here, so it's going to
Say,
create
my
a
dance
fresh
head.
artist. Then I'm going to say it.
My dance head. It's my
Alright,
head.
so once I do that,
Hey, my joy. My peace. My sanity. Yes, sir. My healing is mine. My breakthrough. Provision. Oh, my dance head. My dance head. Hey, my dance head. My dance head. Now shout it out. Whoa.
okay,
Now everybody put your hands on it. Clap, clap.
but as you see, it's live right now on the host.
Romans 16 and 20.
It's
It
actually,
says, the God of peace
okay?
will crush Satan.
Alright, so if we go on here and if I were to put the audio would be coming on. So thank y'all so much for tuning in to this tutorial here on the Host Masters. And as you see, all the audio that is coming through is coming through on the page, and we have the pictures and all that good stuff going. So I'm gonna go unlive for that. So I'm gonna end that broadcast there, and I'll go back and delete it. So it's showing you again, how everything is going. Okay, and I'm pretty sure it's moving and all that. It's that simple. You can do the same thing in other encoder broadcasters if you do have them. I do recommend Wirecast. It's one of the best on the market, and it's easy, very, very easy to use. I tried doing the same thing with OBS. You can do the same thing with OBS, which is a free solution. However, just you have to put in plugins and all types of stuff, and if you have time to do that, do that. However, I choose Wirecast because to me it's a simple solution in an industry. It's just standard. But anyway, that's just me. So hope that helped you guys. If you need any help, I'll have this in the training video section, and I hope it helps. God bless.